Nigeria. The government of Nigeria, Mohammed Buhari is a terrorist government.
Yes.
He's killing us every day with AK-47. Mohammed Buhari, the government of Nigeria, is a pusher. Mohammed Buhari, the government of Nigeria, is a terrorist. He's a killer. He's a murderer. He's killing us every day with AK-47. Buhari has ordered for armor tanks. He's using armor tanks to kill us now in Nigeria. That is why we are here today. For everyone
In Woolwich.
to know what is going on. That Nigeria is dead. Nigeria do not exist anymore. Nigeria is a terrorist country.
Oh, yes.
I advise every one of you, foreigner, don't venture to go to Nigeria now. If you go to Nigeria, you risk your life.
Okay.
Then you will be kidnapped. When you are kidnapped, then we ask for ransom. If you are not able within 48 hours to pay the ransom, oh, your life is gone. Genocide is going on in Nigeria. That is where we are. That is why we are here today, to let you know all our freedom fighters have been put into prison for just no reason, for asking for their rights, for asking, and we have the right to ask if you are in a marriage and the marriage does not suit you for 100 years, 60 years, you have the right to divorce the marriage. This is what we ask Buhari. Buhari is a foreigner in Nigeria. Buhari is a Fulani in Nigeria. Buhari has dominated all of us completely. He promised us that he's going to speak to us in the language that we understand. And we asked him what language. He said the language is ready to eliminate all the Yoruba in Nigeria and all the Igbos in Nigeria. And he has started it. Buhari is killing us every day. Genocide is happening every day. We have been making this awareness. So, Boris Johnson, we go to Boris Johnson number 10, down and say every day to let him know our position in Nigeria. Before our position turned to Afghanistan. When it got to Afghanistan, Boris Johnson will not be able to cope because the population in Nigeria is over 200 million people here. And Buhari is killing us every day.